Now we will solve practice set 5.2. As we already studied how to write sample space and number of sample points. We saw 3 to 4 examples. Okay. So that method we have to use here. The question is, for each experiment you have to write sample space S and number of sample point N of S. Okay. So the first experiment is given. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. One coin and one die thrown simultaneously. So what will be the sample space? Okay. So let us write S is equal to, okay. Now suppose on coin you will get head, and at that time on die you will get 1. So H1 is the first result. Okay, because you know the result for a coin toss and result for a die thrown. For coin, head and tail, and for die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so imagine that on coin you will get head and on die you will get 1. Second possibility is, again on coin you will get head, but on die you will get 2. H2. Third possibility, on coin you will get head only, but on die you will get 3. Now slowly you will understand how to write the sample space. Okay. So the next result will be H and 4. Next result H and 5. H and 6. Now we will change the result on the coin. Now instead of head we will get tail. And on die you will get 1. Next result is T2. Next result T3. Next T4. T5. And T6. And close the curly bracket. Followed how to write the sample space for this experiment. Now how many sample point we got? 6 plus 6, 12. So therefore here N of S is equal to 12. Followed? Now second example. 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. Now student, what is the meaning of without repeating a digit? That means suppose if you selected digit 2, so you can't write the number 22. You can't write 33, 55. Okay? Except these numbers, you can write the other numbers. Using these 3 digits only, we have to make 2-digit number. Okay? So S is equal to, first number I will make 23. Second number 25. We don't have to repeat the digit, means we can't write 22. Okay. Now next number I will write 32. Next 35. Now don't write 33. Next number is 52. And next number is 53. Close the bracket. Okay. So how many numbers we form? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6. Followed. Now student, this type of question so many times asked in board exam. So you should know how to make 2-digit numbers. Okay. Next question number 2. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. Now here the disc is made and the disc is divided into color. Red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. Okay. Now if the disc is rotated, this arrow may stop on any one of the colors. Okay. So which are the possibilities here? Either it will stop on yellow or blue or green or purple or red or orange. We don't know on which color it will stop. So we have to think all the possibilities, and all these possibilities we have to write in sample space. So therefore S is equal to, we will start from yellow, then it will stop on blue color, then green, then purple. All colors we have to write here which are given in this figure, then red, and then last orange. And then close the bracket. So how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And therefore N of S is equal to 6. Followed? Now understood how to write the sample space. And the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. And students, here they gave the page of calendar to show the March 2019. Okay. We have to find out the days on which the date is multiple of 5. So first date is 5. So from this calendar, 5th date comes on Tuesday. So S is equal to, first is Tuesday. Next date is, next multiple is 10. So this 10 comes on Sunday. After 5, 10. Next date is 15, which comes on Friday. After that 20. So 20 comes on Wednesday. After 20, 25th. 25th comes on Monday. And after 25, 30. 30 comes on Saturday. See these dates on 5th, 10, 15, 20, 25th and 30. So these are the dates on which the date of a multiple of 5 comes. Okay, you can refer this table. So how many results we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of S is equal to 6. You can write it in proper way also, Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, like that also you can write. Okay. Follow this question. Now question number 4, which is also very important question. Such type of question also may comes in exam. Form a road safety committee of 2. That means we have to form a committee in that only 2 persons are there. From 2 boys, number for boys is given B1, B2 and 2 girls G1, G2. That means there are 4 persons, 2 boys and 2 girls, B1, B2, G1, G2. And from these 4 people, we have to make a committee which has only 2 persons. Complete the following activity. First, so these are the possibilities. First, maybe in that committee, both the members are boys. So committee of 2 boys. There are 2 boys B1, B2. So the first sample point will come B1, B2. Second possibility is maybe the committee will have both the girls. The committee of 2 girls means G1, G2. Okay. Now third possibility is maybe there will be 1 boy and 1 girl. Committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. So if you take first boy B1, we will get the second girl G1. B1, G1. Second committee is B1, G2. Third committee is B2, G1. And fourth committee is B2, G2. So this way we can form a committee. Either both the members will be boys or both the members will be girls, or one boy and one girl. So all these possibilities we have to write in sample space. So S is equal to, first is B1, B2, second G1, G2, third B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1 and B2, G2. So these are the possibilities if we want to make the committee of 2 members. So their total sample point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6.